Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean the micro USB charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A6 phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone completely. Never clean it while it's turned on because you could damage it, so you have to make sure it's fully powered off. We need a brush about 2 centimeters long, with bristles that are flexible, soft or medium hard, because if they're too hard, they could scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure, so that it first loosens the dirt and helps it come out of the port, and then evaporates completely, leaving no trace. Otherwise, the port would get clogged again. It's also good to have a little plastic tool, not metal but plastic, with a slightly hooked tip, which you can use to check the sides of the port to see if there's any dirt that could block the power plug from connecting properly. Since we already have the phone turned off, you can buy a brush like this and the diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. But if you can't find one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch up your whole phone. So, to start, what do we begin with? We start by moistening. Moisten the brush thoroughly with alcohol. Take the phone in your hand. Here we have the micro USB port. Insert the brush as far as it will go into the port and move it to the side. And you repeat this action about 10 or 15 times in one direction, so always in the same direction. Make those 10 or 15 strokes, just to make sure the port is cleaned out in one direction already. Next, insert the brush all the way into the other side of the port, and now, in the opposite direction, perform the same cleaning, just on the other side, the other part of the port. This way, you thoroughly clean out all the accumulated dirt from the entire port, covering every angle from both the right and the left sides. And so that the port is completely clean and will work for the next few years without any further intervention from us. If the port is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat this process 5 or 10 times in each direction, 2 or 3 times, so that's 30 or 40 strokes in each direction. That way, the port will be perfectly clean and it will be much easier to get it thoroughly cleaned. After finishing cleaning with the brush, we take this little piece of plastic and from the side where it's possible to insert it under the port, we slide the stick in and try to pull something out from the side. If there was anything there, this would simply allow us to pull it out. That little raised tip would pull it out for us. There's nothing here, so after the whole procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only after that time can you start using the phone normally, just to make sure there's no alcohol left anywhere in the phone. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.